We got more of the we got more of these.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
These.
Try open
We
it.
got more of these and that.
Could be fine the inside ones.
Is you're already recording?
Yeah.
I think you're
I know. I'm just trying to fix the camera.
Yeah, but do it before you're recording.
Okay, there. So I got 3 bees. So we got 3 of them today. Okay, let's just open up the first one. I need scissors.
Definitely okay for BLTs.
All right.
That's just fine out.
You really can't find something. Oh, look at my nuts. What? Where's the scissor? Okay, I got the pen from BFDI. You didn't even see him. Can you, there, pen from BFDI. Oh my god, he just ripped through the tape. Like, literally. Look at this. It kind of appears the tape just dies. It's gone. No more tape. Rip that tape. Okay, let's just start with the first one.
All right, so we'll go out to eat on Saturday then?
Okay, so we got an orange honeycomb. There's the pollen. We got another brown bear.
Must we get repeats all the time?
Okay, let's just see what bee we get.
Repeated.
Hopefully it's a new bee. It is! It's the brave bee, I think. I think this is brave bee, it's called. I play the bee game on Roblox. I think I have that bee. What's brave bee looks different? Or is that bomber bee that I have? So I don't remember, so I'm gonna look it up on my computer real quick. And this, but can you even see the computer? Oh my god, what am I on? Wow, look, Roblox. YouTube, not Robot. Yeah, it's Brave Bee. Get out of here. Get your mouse out of here. Really, stupid dum-dum. I'm trying to peel the sticker off. Where's the Brave Bee at? I'm trying to peel the sticker off so we can put it on the honeycomb. The Brave Bee is going to be a really cool part.
Do I hear a chip bag opening?
Just eating a pita.
Okay, here's the sticker. Time to put it on. We got a new bee.
Well, that's good.
Thank goodness.
Brave bee. Next one.
I didn't want it to be the same old thing.
We got another orange honeycomb. We're getting a lot of orange honeycombs. And we got another brown bear. Yeah.
No, you can't have any of it.
I have 3 brown bear stickers. Are you kidding me? It's another rascal bee. I have 3 rascal bees too.
Oh boy.
Kidding me, rascal bee? I hate you. I hope I never get you. Bee swarms. Later. Another orange honeycomb. I wonder if we got brown bear. Yeah, we did. Got brown bear again. Can you only get brown bear? Is that the only other thing you can get other than the bee bear? That you see in the festive, stupid, dumb festive gifts? Okay, let's see. How did I get another brave bee? How about that? So we got 2 duplicates and a bunch of brown bears. We have 4 brown bears.
No, no. Just a barrel.
No, I also got 2 other duplicates bees.
Oh.
I only got 1 new bee, and then I got a duplicate of the new bee. Look at all the brown bears. So we got Brave Bee, and then I got Rascal Bee, and then I got another Brave Bee.
What's the new bee?
Brave Bee.
Oh.
Then I got a duplicate of Brave Bee. And I got.
How many are there?
There's like 20.
Oh.
It's not all the bees in the game. There's like 50 bees in the game. Why does Papa always think always say million? I never say million. I don't know how we got another Rascal Bee, and then right after we got another Rascal Bee, we decided to get another Brave Bee. This is not making me happy. And then we got 3 brown bears, even though there's like 20 other bears. No, I'm serious. With the scientist bear, the panda bear, the mother bear, black bear, bear feet, bear bee. It's not in here because who cares about ones that you have to buy for robots? I don't even care if the stickers aren't good. Yes, I do. Oh, I peeled off some of the sticker. Oh, who cares? Stupid Brave Bee. Go in your diaper. Okay. We got 3 bees. We got Brave Bee. We got Brave Bee. We got Brave Bee. We got Brave. Put them on the honeycomb. Wait, where's my honeycomb mechanism? Here it is. That's what it looks like right now. And then we got Brave Bee.
Brave bee.
What about inappropriate bee like? What am I talking about? And then we got another Rascal Bee. Yeah, we have 3 Rascal Bees. I hate everything. Go in. Why is the Rascal Bee not going in? Okay. We have a full honeycomb done with 3 Rascal Bees. What?